to my channel. Today I am doing a review. Today's video is in collaboration with LETOTE and Get Herpy. LETOTE is a box that basically sends you 5 fashion items per month. You can wear the items as long as you want to. However, when you are done with the items, you have to send them back. You can get as many totes as you want depending on your subscription. So my box just came. This is what this box looks like. It's kind of heavy, kind of big. I already know what I got in my box. When you sign up, they have a page where you can go through stuff and like and favorite your style. You can swap out items if you don't like stuff. I think I swapped out everything except for one piece because they did not get my style right. However, we're gonna see how these clothes fit. I'm gonna try on everything for you guys. And yeah. We are going to open this baby up. I cut into it, however, I did not peek into anything whatsoever. So when you open the box, ooh, that's a cute color. It says, new outfit, bring on the compliment. Everything's wrapped up and then I see this bag with their company's name on it. So we're just gonna put this on the floor and then we're going to turn this around. At the bottom, it has my name. Holy crap, I did not expect that. That's pretty cool. Hello Celia, look as good as you feel. Thank you. Now I'm going to go into the clothing items. I'm so excited. So excited because I love fashion. However, I live in the city, so going to places is kind of hard, especially if you don't have a car and you have to take public transportation. So the first thing I feel is pretty heavy. This is a ribbed bodycon dress, and it looks like this. It's very soft, however, it's very heavy. So I'm wondering if this is actually gonna look good on me because it does look kind of big. This is a small, so we'll see how it looks. It is very baggy, like, I don't know if you can see that. There's way too much space. This is something I definitely would not wear. The next thing in my box that I'm picking up are these Nike pants. This is the Nike Elastic Waist Active Pant. They feel very soft. They have pockets, which is great. However, once again, they seem kind of too big for me. I did have a size small, and that is the smallest size they have. So once again, here is how it looks. So these are the Nike workout pants. They're kind of tight at the bottom, however, they're loose at the top. I had to pull it up some to make it fit decent. The next thing I see in my bag are a pair of earrings. They are called chain drop earrings. These are how the earrings look, and I'm sure they're gonna look great. They're silver and they're really, really pretty. So here are the earrings. They're actually super adorable and don't look like fake. I actually think they look really good. And they're really fun to play with. Not a fan of the necklace, a fan of these earrings. But for now, we're going back into the box for something else. The next thing I see is a necklace. It is a Leech charm necklace. Now for every box, you have to get 3 clothing items and 2 accessories. This is the Leech charm necklace, $18 with the sale. That's pretty steep to me because this honestly seems kind of cheap. Something I can get at like Claire's. I didn't expect it to feel so cheap. Like the chain is definitely something I could get from like the dollar store. So I'm gonna put this back in the box and we're gonna move on to our next item. The last item is a zip front knit jacket. I wanted to see how it would do for the fall, so I ordered 1 jacket. This actually seems like it would be my size. It is cute, it has zippers. I might wear this to my upcoming interview. It's not very heavy, but it is thick, which I think is gonna be perfect. The jacket is kind of loose, but that's fine because I wouldn't want my jacket too tight. The arms fit good. It's just a little baggy in the back. It has like a smoker smell to it, which is kind of weird. I think the jacket is very cute and I could honestly see myself wearing this to like work. So I just finished trying everything on camera for you guys. As you saw, everything was a little too big for me. I personally do not think this company is for me. I appreciate them letting me use their products. However, I don't see myself continuing with them simply because nothing fit me and they were all the right sizes. I don't know, I was hoping at least one thing fit me, but nothing really did. There was always something wrong with one or two products. Okay guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys consider following me and or liking this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!